In the circuit diagram given below, suppose R1, R2, R3 have the following set of values respectively, which have been connected to a battery of 12 volt. Calculate the current through each resistor, total current in the circuit, and total circuit resistance. So it's a question which you guys can do it. So please pause and try it out. So the very first thing that we should be doing is filling the blank. So 5 ohm, 10 ohm, and 30 ohm, right? Current through each resistor. So how can I find current and also nodes, right? A, B. I think only this is the only important one. We can call this as I1, I2, I3, and then this is your I. So the very first thing is to calculate the current through each resistor. How can we do that? Since the connections are parallel, right? So the voltage across A and B is equal to the voltage supplied. Is it not? So whatever the voltage is supplied, since it's directly connected to that, so the voltage across the set of resistors happens to be 12 volt. So you can write that as the resistors are connected in parallel and directly connected to 12 volt battery. VAB is equal to 12 volt. Next part, finding the current through each resistor. So by Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. So we have 12 is equal to I1 into 5. So we'll divide with 5 both the sides. So I1 is equal to 2.4 ampere. So this is your first part. Second part is 12 is equal to I2 into 10. So divide with 10 both the sides. I2 is equal to 1.2 ampere. Next we have I3, that is 12 is equal to I3 into 30. So divide by 30 both the sides. So 3 4s are 3 10s are. So we have I3 is equal to 0.4 amp. Okay, so actually I didn't realize I don't have much space, so I need to squeeze in. So I3 is equal to 0.4 amp, right? Such calculation is what you have to do because dividing with 10 is quite simple. Next is total current, part B. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, as in parallel connection, the current that is coming in is equal to sum of the current in each of this branch. So we have 0.4 plus 2.4 plus 1.2. So 8, 10 on carry, 3.0 amp. Make sense? Yeah, this is your 3.0 amp. Now they want us to find the total circuit resistance. See, we know the total voltage of the circuit. We know the total current. We can find the total effective resistance. So again, by Ohm's law, we have voltage across AB is equal to current across AB, the total current across AB. It has to be equal to I into resistance across AB. So voltage across AB is 12, current is 3, and effective resistance will be 4. Is it not? So RAB is equal to 4 ohm. This is your effective resistance. So instead of going with your traditional way of flipping things around and all of that, so this is the shorter version. You need to know the properties to do this. Okay. So in time, you have to get used to this. If not, the calculation will be very lengthy. So again, go back to the video wherein I have revised the properties. Make use of that. Your answers becomes much shorter. Right? So please pause now and have a look at the answer.